Okay, look, this is probably for the best, you know? This is probably for the best, you know?
People say this phrase when something bad happens, but it might help them in long run. And long run is a long time from now, the future. So if someone says this is probably for the best, it means that something happened which is not good, but it might be better in the future.
Okay, look, this is probably for the best, you know? Independence, taking control of your life. Independence, taking control of your life.
To be independent means that you don't need help from other people. So you make your own choices, you take care of yourself, you don't rely on others for everything. And the dialogue itself is meaning independence, taking control of your life.
You know? Independence, taking control of your life.
And hey, you need anything, you can always come to Joey. Me and Chandler live right across the hall, and he's away a lot.
Across means on the other side of something, and the hall is the corridor in an apartment or hotel. A corridor is a long passage in a building or train, especially with rooms on either side. For example, her office is at the end of the corridor.
Come to Joey. Me and Chandler live right across the hall, and he's away a lot.
Joey, stop hitting on her. It's her wedding day. Joey, stop hitting on her. It's her wedding day.
Hitting on someone means trying to flirt with them or showing romantic interest in them. People say this when someone is being too forward or flirting in a way that annoys others.
Joey, stop hitting on her. It's her wedding day.
What, like there's a rule or something?
Please don't do that again. It's a horrible sound.
It's Paul.
Buzz him in. Buzz him in.
To buzz is a verb which means to make a continuous low sound, such as the one a bee makes. And buzzer is a small button that makes a sound when you press it. So buzz him in means let him enter the building by pressing the button.
It's Paul.
Buzz him in.
Who's Paul?
Paul the wine guy, Paul?
Maybe.
Wait a minute, you're not a real date tonight is with Paul the wine guy? Paul the wine guy?
He finally asked.
Wine is an alcoholic drink. And the wine guy is the man who knows a lot about wine or someone who sells wine. So let's talk about the structure. What if she were a girl? Then we would say the wine girl. And in other forms for other people, we could say the pizza boy, the cleaning lady, or the mailman.
Wait a minute, you're not a real date tonight is with Paul the wine guy?
He finally asked you out?
Yes.
Oh, this is a dear diary moment. Oh, this is a dear diary moment.
Diary is a little book where people write their private thoughts. And as you might know, we use the word dear before some words. Dear friend, dear mom, dear John, which means loved or special, and we use them before some words. Or it is a polite way to start a letter. So when people write in their diary, they often start with Dear Diary, like it's a person. It's a way to talk to your diary before writing your thoughts. So, a Dear Diary moment is a moment that is special, emotional, or important. I mean, so special that you would write it in your diary.
Well,
Yes.
Oh, this is a dear diary moment.
Rach, wait, I can cancel. Please, no.
so Rachel, what are you up to tonight? So Rachel, what are you up to tonight?
What are you up to? It means, what are you doing tonight? Or what are your plans for tonight?
So Rachel, what are you up to tonight?
Well, I was kind of supposed to be headed for Aruba on my honeymoon, so nothing. Well, I was kind of supposed to be headed for Aruba on my honeymoon, so nothing.
I was supposed to do something. It means I was expected, or the plan was doing something. So she was expected to be headed for Aruba. Be headed means to be going to a place. For example, we are headed for the beach. or the train is headed for New York. So now we know that she's going to Aruba. Aruba is an island in the Caribbean, a popular vacation place. Well, they were supposed to be going to Aruba on their honeymoon. Honeymoon is the trip a couple takes right after getting married. Now let's see what the whole sentence means. It means I should be going to Aruba now for my honeymoon. That was the plan.
Well, I was kind of supposed to be headed for Aruba on my honeymoon, so nothing.
Right, you're not even getting your honeymoon. God. No, although Aruba, this time of year, talk about your big lizards.
This phrase is used to show surprise or to point out something noticeable or something that really stands out. For example, talk about your bad luck, which means, wow, that's really bad luck. Talk about your perfect timing. That was perfect timing. Talk about your crazy weather. The weather is really crazy. First, you should know that Aruba is a small island where you can see plenty of lizards around. So in this sentence, they were talking about Aruba, which means Aruba has really big lizards.
This time of year, talk about your big lizards. Anyway, if you don't feel like being alone tonight, Joey and Chandler are coming over to help me put together my new furniture. Joey and Chandler are coming over to help me put together my new furniture.
Furniture is chairs, sofas, tables, beds, and everything found in a home.
Being alone tonight, Joey and Chandler are coming over to help me put together my new furniture.
Yes, and we're very excited about it.
Well, actually, thanks, but I think I'm just gonna hang out here tonight. It's been a long day.
Oh,
To
sure.
hang out means to spend time somewhere, relax, or do nothing special.
Well, actually, thanks, but I think I'm just gonna hang out here tonight. It's been a long day.
Oh, sure, okay, sure.
Hey, Phoebes, you want to help?
Oh, I wish I could, but I don't want to.